Introducing the RYOBI 80-volt HP 30-inch self-propelled mower. 80-volt HP technology delivers more power than a 223cc gas mower and 2 times faster cutting than a 20-inch mower. The 80-volt 10-amp-hour battery provides up to 90 minutes of runtime. Experience the industry's best side discharge, bagging, and mulching performance with the cross-cut multi-blade system. Smart Trek Adaptive Variable Speed Self-Propelled technology helps you finish the job quickly with less fatigue. This mower has been engineered to be 70% quieter than gas. Innovative, powerful, quiet. The RYOBI 80-volt HP 30-inch self-propelled mower. RYOBI has a dedicated team nationwide available to support you. If your mower requires attention, a certified RYOBI RXT field specialist can diagnose and service right from your home. For further information, visit ryobitools.com/help-plus. Part of the 80-volt system. Exclusively at the Home Depot.